what came in front of my door today. So, this is a package from Level Shoes. Yes, ang ganda ng box nila. I think this is a Ramadan special packaging because there are two options whenever you're going to check out from their website. There is a normal packaging and there is this Ramadan special box. So this is the one. So I chose the Ramadan special packaging. So a little backstory of what I got is yesterday we went to Dubai Mall. Me and Clarito went to Dubai Mall. And then I was telling him that for the past months, I've never buy anything for myself. So I just wanted to have a little something for me. So when we went to Dubai Mall, we went to this shop, the Level Shoes. They have all the brands, like yung mga luxury brands, Gucci, they have Versace, they have yung mga luxury brands. They also have yung mga classic shoes from New Balance, from Adidas, and from Converse, yung mga ganong brand. So, matagal ko nang gusto magkaroon ng shoes na to. And actually, ilang beses ko na siyang in-add to cart tapos hindi ko siya talaga chine-check out. Since last year pa, 2021, parang yung eye ko on this certain shoes is nandun na talaga. Pero parang every time I wanted to check it out, parang sabi ko, maybe this isn't the time. Ang dami ko pang binabayaran. So, ayun. Today, kahapon, when we went to Dubai Mall, sinukat ko siya. Tapos, decided na ako to buy a pair nga. Tapos, when I was asking for my size, sabi ko, I want a 37.5. They said, wala nang stock na 37.5. Meron na lang 37 and a smaller size ng 37. So, even 38 wala na sila. But then, the salesman, he said that if you want, there is parang, he said something, isang mall outside Dubai Mall na meron nga na size 37.5. Or I can check yung website if they have it. So, this morning, pagkagising ko, the first thing I did was to check it out. To check out the website. Tapos, pag-check ko, 37.5 yung biggest size nila and ilang pairs na lang yung natitira. So, sabi ko maybe this is the right time. Kasi kahapon, nung nandun kami sa Dubai Mall, sabi ko kay Clarito, siguro it's not meant to be. Kasi nga walang size. Tapos, ayun, kaninang umaga meron. Tapos, ilang pairs na lang yung natitira. So, yes. Let's see. So, there is, let's take it out. Feeling ko nag-unbox ako ng Louis Vuitton kasi yung color niya orange. So, super ganda ng paper bag niya. May mga design. Tapos, super kapal din. So, feeling ko talaga Louis Vuitton talaga yung binili ko. Pero hindi. So, this is the box. And they have the ribbon and they have this envelope. Let's see kung anong meron. Yung resibo. Para ipaalala sa atin na masyado tayong magastos. Tama na sa deserve mo yan. So yeah, this is the receipt. In fairness And this is the box. Let's unbox it. So, eto nga yung shoes na binili ko. Converse na CDG. Yay! In fairness sa box, feeling mo nag-unbox ka ng Louis Vuitton na bag or kung ano man. Kasi nga, super laki niya. Yes! And, bukat natin yung kahon box. Paper pa niya. And, so this is the shoes. I got this high cut na CDG kasi ever since I really wanted a high cut. Tapos meron akong nabili parang 2 years back yung Vans na old school na Harry Potter edition. Pero medyo maluwang siya sa akin ng parang 0.5. So hindi ko siya masyadong magamit kasi parang hindi ako comfy na gamitin siya. So, parang nagamit ko lang siya twice or once, ganun. So, I got this one, and sobrang ganda niya. Tapos, kasi since mahilig na ako sa pants ngayon, yung mga loose na pants, mga trousers, ganun. Nakikita ko sa mga anong tawag na to? Instagram reels na sobrang bagay yung mga outfit na yun sa ganitong shoes. So, ayan. Nabudol na naman po tayo for today's video. That's it. I got this one. Yay! So, ayun. Nakita niyo na yung shoes and hindi ko alam, pero hindi naman siya, hindi naman siya yung ganun ka wow factor na shoes. Pero, sobrang tagal ko na kasi naghahanap ng classic na Converse na black na high cut. Tapos, yung price kasi nun, around dito, kung bibilhin mo dito, nasa parang almost 400 dirham. So, kung hindi na din naman konti yung difference niya sa CDG na black na to, na high cut. So, I decided to get this na lang. So, ayun, I'm so happy. Kasi nga, nag-promise ako sa sarili ko, sabi ko, hindi na ako bibili ng sapatos kasi meron naman na ako. Here I am again.
Ay, dumating na?
Yeah, dumating na, kaya bayaran mo na.
Okay.
Baby, look mo! Nice! Dali! Dali, ang tagal! Dali, anong masasabi mo? Sa shoes. Sa shoes. Sinukat ko na siya. Halika dito, tingnan mo kasi. Nice.
Nice.
sobrang init sa labas. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. And me, first time using the shoes kasi nga I have an appointment today sa clinic for my underarm laser. So I am using it for the first time and so far I am loving it. Sobrang comfy niya. Parang tulad siya nung Converse na white na meron ako nung college ako. So ayun, sobrang ganda. Sobrang comfy. And deserve natin yan. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I know I am not uploading videos more often. Pero kasi nga sobrang busy ko sa work and because of the pasabay. So, at least I got time to unbox this video. I mean to unbox the shoes for this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time!